I am Dr. Surendra Kumar. I am a professor in School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University, Lucknow. Today, in this lecture, we are discussing about the pattern of leadership effectiveness. Pattern of leadership effectiveness. We have been discussed each and every word earlier of this name or this title. Patterns means style or type. Leadership is a quality, it's a process for a leader adopt. Leader is basically who has the followers in certain condition or situations. That may be. And then effectiveness. We have discussed about certain things in the Ginnett model earlier. Ginnett team effective leadership model was there. Now today again I am just comprising all the things in this particular topic. Before starting of that, this topic, the very first way is to be there. In the leadership behavior, we have already discussed certain things was there. Because as a leader is basically, leadership is basically a process to collective efforts and causing willing efforts to expand and achieve a purpose to be there. And the stability of an individual to influence, motivate and enable others to contribute towards the effectiveness and success of the organization is basically known as an organization leader. I am telling two words here. One is leader and second is organization leader. Both things in the business world, both things are same. In the organization leader, basically, that may be a manager, may be a supervisor, may be a top level manager, executive student here. And generally, leader is basically who can lead the team of the group of people. Then values of really a task oriented and a good taskmaster is to be there. So each and everything in like that, by which we can say really a nice approach is to be there. And if we have to come down on the leadership pattern, leadership behavior, leadership achievement is to be there. So leadership basically a process whereby one or more individuals succeeded in the attempting to frame and define the reality of the other system. Now, in the effectiveness process, if you have to come down effectiveness, leadership effectiveness measurement, like if leadership effectiveness measurement, you can say leadership effectiveness role model is to be there. So there are certain parameters was there. We have already discussed these things earlier. Now in this term again we have to take care of that. Then after we will come down one by one to this. Like first thing is task clarity. Remember that Ginnett team effective leadership model was there. So in this task clarity, second, the task should be very, very clear to the manager how he has to perform and where he is to perform or what were the team members to be there. Then cohesion. So leadership pattern is started by the means of the clarity and the natural bonding was here. Each and every should be bond. They have to think only for India. Indian Army का एक बार मैं सुन रहा था, उसमें कहते थे कि आप अपना जीवन का उद्देश्य बताइए. तो लोग कहते हैं भाई साहब मैं ये बनना चाहता हूँ. Then the what the brigadier is to be there. He is taking the task. No, as you entered in Indian Army, आपके लिए सबसे पहले आपका की कंट्री है, देश. अगर कुछ बचता है तो उसमें रहने वाले लोगों के लिए आपको देखना है और फिर भी आपके पास कुछ समय बचता या कुछ और बचे तो फिर आप अपने बारे में सोचिएगा. Now this is the leadership was there. First you live for organization, then you have to your motive or your heart and soul for the associated people, associated organizations to be there, whatever, and then if anything is to be remaining, then you may think of yourself as to be there. So we have to give that type of bonding, that type of cohesion is to be there. That this is the really style of that. Our pattern is to be there, or the leadership effectiveness is to be. Then autonomy. Autonomy you have to give like delegation or transformations, whatever. You have to provide in that way by which every person grow and grow. Every department grow by self-sufficient is to be there. Then you have to, whenever they require, you have to provide support also. Because this is a prime consideration. You should not interfere their day-to-day activities or whatever the activities. You have to just wait and watch and see if they are growing, performing each and everything. You just follow the thing. Because this is the main concept with the leadership behavior, leadership effectiveness. You have to lead the team. A team is already working in a very well form, so don't bother about it. If the team is well accepted, the task, if they well accepted the vision of the organization, definitely the things will be carry on accordingly. Then you have to later on, you have to provide a collaboration, because without supporting of the other organization for the change management and change development or process enhancement, innovations or creativity, definitely you have to take the other options to be there, day by day, day by day, day by day. And finally, because this is your team, you are the accountability. So, if success is yours, failure is also yours. If organization growth is already taken care, then you are the responsible, and if it is already dropped down, you will be responsible for that. ऐसा नहीं होता कि भाई साहब जब अच्छा चल रहा है सब तो मैंने किया, नो. और जब गिरने लगा, अरे इनको पकड़ लो, डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र कुमार है, इन्होंने सब बर्बाद कर दिया. नहीं. Main thing, one thing is to be very, very clear in the framework. This is the pattern of leadership effectiveness that you should follow. Real rule of the gems to be there. Leadership gems was there. And if the leadership gems is to be like that, you have to follow whatever the instruction is to be there, definitely you will get on the successes to be there. Because in this process, we have taken a lot of things cancelled. Because leadership style, leadership pattern, we have some old, I will just discuss like, because leadership pattern basically encompasses how they relate to others within and outside of the organizations, how they view themselves and their positions, and to a large extent whether or not they are successful as a leader. This is the basic the pattern of that. Pattern is style. Style is, this is the process to be there. So why we are concerned about the pattern of leadership style? Because the pattern of organization's leadership is reflected in both the nature of the organization, and the relationship with the community. If the leader is good, definitely you can show down the market also. You know, क्या बात है इनका मैनेजर देखिए. Like हम sometime we are listening about the टाटा के बारे में हम लोग सुनते आते हैं, या XYZ किसी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के, उन्होंने ये किया. They are good for the institution also. They are good for the society also. आज I just told you I am not related to any type of caste, religion history. I am not discussing anything. I am just giving like with the business holders whatever. Recently I told you that Tata has taken around 180 villages in Lucknow also for developmental activities. They have where a lot of, there are some companies also doing this thing like Dabur hai, Jadis Kadila hai, like this type of company already carrying on. There are a lot of companies. I'm just giving a few examples to here. So the main thing in this style, because both things should be reflected, because ultimately unless you are working for yourself by means of the development activities, as well as you want that the people should grow with the economical development also. So in this conceptions, whatever the pattern, whatever the characteristics should be there, we should give them a brief outlook is to be there. So in the pattern of leadership effectiveness, the first thing was exercising power. Exercising power. Whenever you need, you have to utilize the powers of yours. Then as well as the process to be carried out day by day, system is to be carried out accordingly, then you have to take up the second steps to be there, because the pattern values. So I just take this to be, so first is, we have discussed pattern and approach is to be there, existing. The first is exercising power, right? Exercising power. Now second, gaining and exercising the prevailing of high status. whatever the status to be there of yours, leadership style, you have to maintain in this organization and later on also. Then taking care of people, this is the prime thing. Then you are the boss, being as a boss, and it's not with ability you are just digging the things to it. No, you just maintain your decorum with the value of creativity, and the change process management was there. As the change process management will take care, definitely you have to look after other HR person like a human beings, not as a man or machine or a animals, right? Then providing moral leadership qualities to be there, whatever, and work towards a vision is to be there. Now, how this thing can be carried out in a very effective forms in the terms of leadership effectiveness? Because we have discussed effectiveness, we have been discussed about the leader, we have to discuss about the leadership, and there are certain things. So in the pattern first, now we have to read on the patterns. Pattern means style, types, methods, whatever. So first method or the pattern we used, pure exercise of power. We have discussed about earlier, we are telling exercise of power, a pure exercise. प्योर एक्सरसाइज ऑफ पावर. आपके पास पावर है किसी को निकाल देने का, जॉब से हटा सकते हैं, इस यू आर द लीडर, यू आर द इंस्टीट्यूशन मैनेजर इज टू बी देयर, व्हाटएवर, बट one thing is to be very clear, that is to be applied in various multinational corporations, even in Indian multinational also. If you appointed a person, then the question will be come down at the part of the removal of that. Then why you have appointed that person 2 years before? That means you, under your leadership, that employee lost his credibility, lost his effort, lost his skills. So you have to use pure exercising of the power is to be there, pure, ultimate. Then political scheming, whatever the things is to be, political scheming. Scheming means churning. Churning, have you listened on मक्खन कैसे बनता है? मैंने भी बहुत नहीं देखा, पर अगर तो नहीं लोग दूध को लेते हैं, उसको खूब अच्छे से चर्निंग करते हैं, देन ऊपर एक उसका दूली आता है और मट्ठा बन जाता है, वो सॉरी मक्खन बन जाता है, मक्खन से लेटर ऑन. So this is the main thing. In the institutional, we are not telling that this is a politician, organization politics की बात we are just telling you, whatever the growth should be growth, then you have to show down that type of method can be carried out. Then using relationships, because nowadays is things are in very clear that everything is relationship marketing. We will purchase that product which my friend purchase. We are using that type of website, e-commerce, whatever. If my friend is so comfortable, if my relative is to be comfortable, if my colleague is to be comfortable, definitely I will go accordingly. Then using relationship is that is to be done. You are a visionary leaders, you may be a charismatic leaders, you may be a transitional leaders, you whatever, your transformation leaders, whatever. So you have to setting an example for others, because this your style was there, it's your business to be there, otherwise you cannot get down whatever the sharing is to be there. Then always believe in sharing power. Sharing power means you have the authority, you have the powers to be there, so you have to delegate the things to be, because ultimately as the organization grow, छोटा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जहां 1 2 5 10 लोग हैं, वहां आप अकेले मेंटेन कर लोगे, बट व्हेनेवर द हॉरिजॉन इज टू बी देयर, कितने तक आप जा सकते हो? अगर इस बिल्डिंग को उसको छूना चाहे तो शायद नहीं छू सकते, बिकॉज आई एम स्टेबल हियर टू बी, देन वी हैव टू टेक केयर, वी हैव टू चेंज ऑन दैट. सो अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव टू गिव शेयरिंग पावर्स टू बी देयर, देन ओनली वी कैन से कि नाउ वी कैन कंट्रोल ओवर द थिंग्स टू बी व्हाटएवर. Now in this I can give you a very simple. अकबर के बारे में सब जानते होंगे. अकबर क्या करते थे? क्या वो सब जो भी राजा जीतता था उससे लड़ाई लड़ता था और उसको हरा देता था। हराने के बाद क्या करता था? मरवा देता था? नहीं, अकबर से पहले तक जो भी मुगल एम्परर थे वो जंग लड़ते थे और जो भी राजा को जीतते थे उसके सर को कलम करा देते थे और अपना एक ईमानदार वहां पे रख देते थे और वो उसको रिपीट करता था। Here the condition will change from the Akbar side is to be there. अकबर क्या करता था? जो राजा हारता था उसको कहता था आप ही राजा बने रहिए, बट मैं आपसे कंपनसेशन लूंगा, बिकॉज आपने लड़ाई लड़ाई है, आपने मजबूर किया मुझे और इस राज्य में राज का कब्जा है। यू कैन बी ए कंटिन्यू एज ए एम्परर, बट नाउ यू आर ऑन आवर बिहाफ इज टू बी देयर। दिस इज द एम्पायर ऑफ आवर्स। हमारे दोस्ती में आ जाएगी, हम आपके साथ एक दोस्त के रूप में, लेकिन आप हमें चुंगी लबान भाड़ा जो भी व्हाटएवर आप हमें हर सब में देंगे और तब मैं आपको मेंटेन रखूंगा। द कंडीशन विल बी चेंज्ड। सेम थिंग शेयरिंग पावर। तो उससे क्या अंतर पड़ा? क्या अंतर पड़ा? उस लोकल पेरिफेरी, उस लोकल जो भी राजा की जितनी रियासत थी वहां तक वो राजा अपना खुद मेंटेन करता था और उसका वो खर्चा एक्सपेंसेस व्हाटएवर वो अकबर से ले लिया जाता था और जितना वहां से कलेक्शन वगैरह होता था वो अकबर तक पहुंचता था कंडीशन। सो लीस्ट सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट कैन बी कैरीड आउट. So we have to decentralize the policies to be there. So in the sharing power, we are using this type of effect to be there. Then we have to take up our example like a charisma. We have already discussed this thing. So in the charismatic type of leadership, we have to do this type of powers to be there. Then involving followers in goals. Involving 6 or 7. Involving powers. Involving powers. Power. In terms of followers goals. Followers goals. In the followers, whatever the followers achievement, just because I already told you one thing is very clear, why we are in the institution, any type of institution, whatever the vision of organization, and this is ourselves, whatever the vision of ours, if it is to be correlated, we will be put ourselves in a single direction. So whatever the goal or later on is a goal or mission, if both are interrelated, both are interjunction, both are reflexes images to be there, so we are involving followers in that goal is to be there, and this type of statement, this type of things can be carried out. We have already discussed. So these are the basically the pattern of that, and we are using that pattern by means of earlier this style of leadership. Again, I just give a brief look of that also. We have discussed about the autocratic type of leadership. Autocratic, basically leaders insist on doing it all themselves. They have all the powers, make all the decisions, and then don't often tell anyone else about what they are doing. We have already know these things to be there. So the same thing in the pattern of leadership, we have discussed about 7-8 points to be there, whatever so is to be there. And because we have discussed about the pure existence of the power, then political scheming was there, using relationships, setting and examples, persuasions, like this type of pattern we have discussed about. Then sharing powers, then charismatic type of leadership should be achieved in that successes to be. Then involving followers in the goals, and then we have taken up this type of style. By the means of this styles, we are implemented our pattern, like styles used for the pattern processes to get it out. So in this pattern process, you have to learn in the style. First is we know the things to be like autocratic type of leadership. Then second, we have taken the managerial type of managerial. In this managerial type, the leader who sees himself as a manager is concerned primarily with the running of the organization. If you are working as an institution or running as a manager to be there, you have to look after these things to be. Then third thing is democratic. This we have democratic type of type. In the democratic, leaders looks at his and others' position in terms of responsibilities rather than status, and often consult in decision making. This is the plan. And then collaborative or this participatory type of leadership is to be collaborative. Collaborative. In a collaboration, a leader tries to involve everyone in the organization in leaderships, initiates discussions, pinpoint problems, and keep trace of the organization as a whole. So this type of collaboration, we have to use it. And we have been, these are generally 4 types of leadership style by which we have to give the clear pattern of leadership for industrial effectiveness. In this, beside this, we have been already knows some other style also, that is transactional leadership. Remember, transactional leadership. In this transactional leadership, we have to use that leadership as based on transactions between leader and followers. We are ready to give, you are accepting the things, you are also giving, we are also accepting the things. So transactional leadership is that distributed. Then transformation leadership. It sees a true leader as one who can distill the values and hopes and needs of followers into a vision. This we have already discussed about. So transformation leadership can be carried out. So there's a transactional, transformations, this type of other styles is to be carried out because these are the various patterns we are using. So in this type of can be carried out now. Right? Now, which type of pattern is best suited in the institution? Because that is the concluding point of that. So we are just giving a small look on that also, that which type of pattern is good? Any? Koi kahe? Koi bhi. Anything is to be there. Whatever. So in this pattern, effectiveness of that, leadership effectiveness towards the side of the pattern behavior is to be there. So all patterns are good, all style is good, all skills is good. Depends on the situation and organization leaders' behavior is to be there, which type of pattern they want to use it, which type of style they are using, which type of skill they can use it. So a good leaders usually have a style that they continuously and consciously use most of the time, but they are not rigid. They change as necessary to deal with whatever comes out. So it is not necessary that you have that style of patterns to be there. You have a visionary type of leadership and you are not ready to take the transformation of leadership. No, nothing is to be there. You just better whatever the things can be come down, accordingly you should behave accordingly. Be consistent with what people into the organization expect always, because there is a team group member, there is a team member was there. So the ultimate vision is clear, your vision is clear, their vision is clear. You have to, everyone want to grow the institution. So be consistent with that people to be there. Then your style needs to be consistent with the goals, mission and philosophy of the organization. This is the prime motive is to be there. So in this concluding type of thing, pattern of leadership effectiveness, we have to look after. There are various styles to be there: autocratic, laissez-faire, participatory type of visionary, and transformation, transitional type of leadership. And each and every leadership is clearly denote that whatever the pattern is to be there, that development of relationships, political schemings, persuasions, sharing powers, charismatic type of values, or involves goals orientations and existence of the power. So this is the clear-cut scenarios to be there. So in today's discussion, whatever the things is to be carried out, whatever the moral is to be carried out, whatever the efficiency is to be carried out, things are very, very clear accordingly. And in this style, there are certain principles should be applied. We have already discussed that principle is to be there. Now I'm just giving a brief look. What are the principles to be there? We should be empathy. We should discuss each and everything. Then productivity, we should have to look after. Roles and goals should be very clear. Then there should be openness environment in the organization. There should be a flexibility of the system, and the moral should be very high from yours and toward the organization motive is to be there. Then there should be a proper recognition should be provided each and every member of the team has to be there. So in today's discussion, we have discussed about the pattern of leadership effectiveness. In this, we have just that whatever the pattern we are using should be applied as per the norms and the system of the competitive environment with the values of the organization motives.